Ready, Ben?
Ready, Viki?
Let's build the biggest marshmallow tower ever!
1, 2, 3, let's build!
Ben is 3 with a happy grin.
Let's start building, let's begin.
Viki's 4 with a clever plan.
We can build the tallest we can.
Soft white marshmallows, toothpicks too.
Making something bright and new.
Tiny hands and smiling faces.
Building towers, winning races.
One goes here,
One goes there.
build it slowly.
Take good care.
Higher, higher, don't stop now.
Look how tall we're building. Wow! Stack, stack, stack it high.
Reach up to the sunny sky.
Ben says, woo! Viki says, yay!
Let's build towers every day.
Stack, stack, don't be slow.
Watch our marshmallow tower grow.
If it wiggles, that's okay.
We'll laugh and build today. Triangle shapes are strong and neat.
Square foundations can't be beat.
Round and round we build with care.
Working as a happy pair.
Tiny builders side by side.
Filled with teamwork, filled with pride.
Every tower tells a story.
Building fun is our big glory. Uh-oh, wobble. Uh-oh, sway.
Will it stand another day?
Oops, it tumbled.
Down it came.
Let's all cheer and play again.
Because every time we try,
We learn a little, reach more high.
together we can always say,
Let's build another one today. Stack, stack, stack once more.
even higher than before.
Ben is laughing, Viki too.
Building dreams for me and you.
Marshmallows soft, toothpicks light.
Everything is feeling right.
Clap your hands and sing hooray.
It's Marshmallow Tower Day.
Stack together one by one.
Building towers is so much fun.
Ben is 3, so full of cheer.
Viki's 4.
Come build right here.
If it falls, we smile wide.
Friends and family by our side.
Laugh together.
Shout hooray.
We'll build again another day. Great job, Ben!
Great job, Viki.
Our marshmallow tower is amazing!
Marshmallow Tower time.
See you next time.